Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. This video is going to be an extreme clean with me and declutter. The first portion of the video we are going to be doing some extreme cleaning, and then after that we're going to be doing some decluttering and organizing mixed in with a little bit of packing. So if you want to see all of that, I do some pretty major decluttering. We're trying to downsize because we are moving in a few weeks. If you haven't seen all of those moving related videos, I will link them down below if you want to know what's going on. And so yeah, we are going to start the cleaning right here in the kitchen. Started off by tidying off the kitchen table, getting all of the dishes over to the sink and the dishwasher. After I gathered all of the dirty dishes to one place here by the sink, I had to empty the dishwasher before I could load it up with the dirty dishes, and then we could wash the dishes in the sink. And for today's question of the day, I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what you are cleaning while you're watching this video, or what you are going to clean after you watch this video if you're just watching it for motivation and then you're going to go clean your kitchen, or you're going to do some decluttering. Let me know what you're getting done down below in the comments. So after I get these dishes washed, the last thing that I have to do is wipe down the countertops, and to wipe down the countertops I'm going to be using some cleaner from the company Truman's, and Truman's is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. Truman's sells 4 cleaners with refill cartridges. They're all non-toxic. They safely and efficiently clean virtually all of your home's hard surfaces. Truman's are all about reducing waste and clutter, and we can collect so many different cleaning products in our cabinets that we have to use throughout our house. But with Truman's, you only need these 4 cleaning products, and they're so inexpensive, and you're also helping to reduce waste because you can reuse the bottles. You just have to order your refill cartridges, which I'm showing you here. There is 4 different cartridges for your 4 bottles. The first cleaner is called Everything in the Kitchen Sink. Obviously this one is for use in the kitchen. It's tough on grease but gentle on your surfaces. The second one is called The Glass is Always Cleaner. This one is for use on mirrors and glass. The next one is called Floors Truly. Obviously this one is for the floors. And the 4th cleaner is called More Shower to You. This one is for use in your bathrooms. You can use it on bathroom surfaces with soap, scum, mineral deposits, and water spots. Just a great all-around bathroom cleaner. And that is it. 4 cleaners that you can use throughout your whole home. To use the cleaners, you just have to fill the bottle up with water, and then you just stick the cartridge on the top, and when you screw on the lid, it releases all of the cleaner down into the water. It's so satisfying to just watch it all go down into the water. I've been using these cleaners for 2 months now, so I can truly say that I love them. They work amazing throughout my home. You guys definitely need to go and give them a try. I will have the link down below in the description box, and also with my coupon code Hannah, you can get 50% off your Truman's starter kit and subscription, and shipping is always free on Truman's, so definitely go and give them a try. And thank you again to Truman's for sponsoring today's video. The kitchen is all clean, and lately for me it's been such a struggle to keep my kitchen clean. I don't know why. I need to come up with a better system or something. It's also just because of this whole packing and moving thing. It's been a struggle to keep my house cleaned up and keep up with the laundry and all of that while still filming and packing and All of this stuff has just been a lot lately, but I'm hanging in there. I'm trying to get through it all, get it all done. So now we are cleaning up the laundry room, and I'm going to get these clothes folded that are in the dryer before we get some laundry started in the washer. Got the laundry room cleaned up, I got that load of clothes folded out of the dryer, and now I just started the first load of clothes here in the washer. I'm checking stuff off the list slowly but surely here. Now we're going to head into the living room and start tidying this up a little bit, and after I get this picked up, I want to go through all of our games. We keep all of our games in this ottoman here that we have by the couch, and I want to sell this ottoman, so I decided to go ahead and go through all of these games today. We have so many games, but it's hard to get rid of them because we do enjoy playing games. We don't get to play them as much as we would like to, but it's fun when we have people over to have games to pick from. The boys like to play games with us. So I was just trying to go through them, see what I could get rid of, and then pack into this box what I wanted to keep. And as I'm doing this voiceover and looking at just how many games are in this box that I'm going to take with us on this move, I am thinking that I should go through this box again and get rid of like half of these. For as often as we get a chance to play games, I should not be taking this many games with us when we're going to be moving twice in 1 year. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about that. I might go through that box again. The hall bathroom cleaned up using my Truman's cleaners to clean the mirror and the countertop. After I get this bathroom cleaned, I'm going to clean out and declutter the closet that's in here. Maybe take everything off the wall, just kind of get this bathroom cleaned out. Now I'm going to work on this closet. This closet was full of cobwebs and dust because I hardly ever opened it up. We just used it for extra storage in the house, kept a bunch of random things in here. I ended up finding 2 laundry baskets that I didn't know I had, so I can use those for moving, but a bunch of this stuff I just was able to get rid of. I found an empty box here that I could use for packing. Yeah, and then I cleaned it out with my vacuum. Just a bunch of random stuff stored in there. I just wanted to go ahead and completely clean out this closet. only thing I left in this closet that I'm going to leave in here when we move is these paint cans. These paint cans just have a little bit of paint left in each of them, but these are some of the paint colors that I have throughout the house. Just wanted to leave them there for the next person that moves into this house, so that they know what color is on the walls if they want to go and get some more of that color. I went ahead and just cleared out this whole bathroom. I got all of the decor off the walls. I just donated all of that decor because I didn't want to use it in my next bathroom. So yeah, this bathroom is completely clear except a couple of cleaning products and like the boys' toothbrushes and soap and stuff there in the cabinet. Next, I'm going to work on the boys' bedroom. This room is kind of a disaster today, but we're going to get it cleaned up first, and then I want to completely clean out, or at least mostly clean out, this closet. I want to get rid of a lot of this stuff, just go through it, only keep stuff that we actually are going to use or need, and just get rid of everything else. We're really trying to downsize here before this move. Had one empty drawer in the boys' dressers, so I took all of their clothes that were hanging up on hangers and put them into that drawer. It was just a couple of button-ups and coats, and I put all the hangers in there as well, because when we move, we'll probably just move this whole dresser with the clothes in it. I could just like wrap it or something to keep the drawer shut, just to make it a little bit easier. One less box that I have to pack. It's already all in the dresser. After that, I went through these two shelves in their closet that were just jam-packed full of stuff. I took everything off of the shelves and put it down onto the floor, and then I got down on the floor with the stuff and just sorted through it all. I have these toy rotation bins that were just full of toys that the boys haven't played with in forever, so I tried to go through those and get rid of a bunch of toys out of there, and then go through the boys' toys that they actually have stored down in their room and put a bunch of those in the toy rotation box, just so there wasn't so many toys in their room when we go to move. After I was all done sorting through all of their toys, I filled up this garbage bag full of toys to donate, and I may even try to get even more toys to donate, because these two boxes here are toy rotation, and once we get settled into a new house, I'll probably unpack some of that toy rotation into their actual room for them to play with. But right now for moving, I just wanted to go ahead and pack a bunch of the toys into there. They still have toys in their 4 gray bins, but just not as many, just to make the move easier. So now that side of the closet is all cleared out. There's just like, I think 2 things left over there that we'll just get when we move. But all of that other stuff that I just packed out of the closet that we're actually going to keep, I went ahead and took it out to the living room where I have all of the other stuff that I packed so far. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was motivating for you. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Also subscribe if you are new, and stay tuned for more packing and moving videos in the near future. And don't forget to use the link down in the description box to go try Truman's cleaning products and use my code Hannah for 50% off. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!